Our topic is solution of homogeneous and non-homogeneous system of linear equations. So what is linear equations? Linear equation कशाला म्हणायचं? जर जे आपलं इक्वेशन आहे त्यामध्ये व्हेरिएबलची डिग्री जर 1 असेल तर त्याला म्हणायचं लिनियर इक्वेशन्स. सो सिस्टीम ऑफ लिनियर इक्वेशन्स, मेनी इक्वेशन्स, मेनी लिनियर इक्वेशन्स. ओके. So what is homogeneous? A homogeneous system of linear equations is a system in which all the constant terms on the right side of the equations are equal to 0. See here, on the right side all the constant terms are 0. Then it is called as homogeneous system of linear equations. What is non-homogeneous system of linear equation? A non-homogeneous system of linear equations is a system in which at least one of the equation has a constant term not equals to 0 on the right side. In other words, here is the system, all bi are not equals to 0 or any bi is not equals to 0, then it is called non-homogeneous system of linear equations. Now how to solve the system of homogeneous linear equations? Solve means find out the values of variables which satisfy all the equations or all the system of linear equations. For that, first of all we need to write given system is in the matrix form Ax equal to b, where A is matrix of coefficient. Look at here, matrix of coefficient. Coefficient of x are 2, 1, 0. So 2, 1, 0. Coefficients of y are 1, 2, 0. So 1, 2, 1. Sorry, 1, 2, 1. Then coefficients of z are 3, 0, 1. So 3, 0, 1. X is matrix of variable. So here variables are x, y, z, and B is matrix of constant terms. Constant terms are 0, 0, 0. For solving homogeneous system of linear equations, we have to consider that augmented matrix. Augmented matrix means what? Matrix A with matrix B. So look at here, we have taken matrix A with matrix B. All values are 0. Now we have to perform row operations to bring the matrix is in the row echelon form. Row echelon form means what? Like this: 1, 0, 0, A, 1, 0, something B, C, 1. All leading elements 1. Then any two consecutive rows, leading element of second row is right to the leading element of first row, and all 0 rows are at the bottom. This is called row echelon form. For that we have to bring that A with B augmented matrix in row echelon form. For that, first we interchange R1 and R2 because 1 is here. So after interchanging rows, here is R1, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1, 3. Again 0 also interchange. Then for row echelon form, we have to make these two as 0. Here 0, 0. It is already 0. So make these two as 0. For that we use row operations R2 minus 2 R1. R2 minus 2 R1. We are doing changes in R2. So write down R1 and R3 as it is and just do changes in R2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. 3. And 0 minus 0 is 0. Now this minus 3. We have to make this as second leading element as 1. For that, minus 3. So we divide after dividing R2 by minus 3 we will get 1. So R2 upon minus 3. So write down R1 and R3 as it is and just divide whole row R2 by minus 3. So we get 1, 2, 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 1, 1 and 0, 0, 0. Now for row echelon form, we have to make this 1 as 0. So for that we do row operations R3 minus R2. We are doing changes in R3. So write down R1 and R2 as it is: 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So R3 minus R2. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus minus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Sorry, 2. Now make these two as 1 using which operation we use here? After dividing R3 by 2, we will get here 1. So R3 upon 2, we get here 1, 2, 0, 0, then 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 upon 2 is 0, 0 upon 2 is 0, 2 upon 2 is 1, 0 upon 2 is 0. So it is in row echelon form. After converting row echelon form, we have to perform back substitution. Back substitution where? Look at here, z equals to 0, then y minus z equal to 0. Put here value of z, so y minus 0 equals to 0. So we get here y equals to 0. Then x plus 2y plus 0 z equals to 0. So here x plus 2 into value of y is 0. So it is equals to 0. Here x equal to 0. So we get all values of variables x, y and z and all are 0. Therefore x equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 is the required solution of given system. Now second example, solve the following non-homogeneous system of linear equations. Look at here, all values of Bi are not all 0, so it is non-homogeneous system of linear equations. First of all, we write this system is in the matrix form where A is matrix of coefficients. So here coefficients of x are 1, 0, 5, coefficients of y are minus 2, 2, 0 and coefficients of z are, sorry here is z, z are 1, minus 8, minus 5 and x is matrix of variable. So here variables are x, y and z and B is matrix of constant terms on the right side. So here 0, 8 and 10. This is your matrix A, x and B. Now consider augmented matrix. Augmented matrix means what? Matrix A with matrix B. So matrix A with matrix B. Now we convert this augmented matrix, it is into row echelon form. For that, first row echelon form means make this 1, 0, 0, then second leading element 1, below the second leading element all 0 and third leading element is 1. Okay. So look at here, first leading element is already 1, then A21 entry is also 0, then make this 5 as 0. For that we use row operations, R3 minus 5 R1. So we are doing changes in R3. So write down R1 and R2 as it is. So we will get 1 minus 2 1 0, 0 2 minus 8, then do changes in R3. R3 minus 5 R1, 5 minus 5 0, 0 minus 5 into 2 is 10, then minus 5 minus 5, minus 5 minus 5 minus 10, then 10 minus 0 is 10. Okay. Then make this second leading element as 1. For that we divide R2 by 2, so we get this 2 as 1. We are doing changes in R2. So write down R1 and R3 as it is, 1 minus 2 1 0 and last 0 10 minus 10 0 and divide R2 by 2. So we get 0 upon 2 is 0, 2 upon 2 is 1, minus 8 upon 2 is minus 4 and 8 upon 2 is 4. Now this is minus 2 1 10. So now we have to make this 10 as 0. For that R3 minus 10 R2. Okay. So we are doing changes in R3. So write down R1 and R2 as it is, 1 minus 2 1 0, 1 0 minus 4 4 and just do changes in R3 using these row operations. Okay. After that we have to make this 30 as 1 for row echelon form. For that divide the R3 by 30. So R3 upon 30. We are doing changes in R3. So write down R1 and R2 as it is and divide R3 by 30. So here 30 upon 30 is 1, minus 30 upon 30 is minus 1. Okay. this is in row echelon form. Now we have to convert, we have to perform back substitution. Here after comparing this, we will get z equals to minus 1. So this. Now y minus 4z equal to 4. Y minus 4z equal to 4. Put here value of z. So y minus 4 into minus 1 equal to 4. Then y plus 4 equals to 4. So that we get here value of y is 0. Then this x minus 2y plus z equal to 0. Put here value of y and z. So we get value of x is 1. So we get all value of variables. So x equals to 1 0 1 0 minus 1 is the required solution of given system of linear equations. Okay, thank you.